Hello Timesavers family. Today we are starting our first video in preventative maintenance and most frequently asked questions. Today's video is going to be how to change and maintain the brushes for a 2200 series 52-inch wide rotary brush machine. Okay, first thing we need to do is go ahead and pull these quick pins just on a standard ring with the pin. We have one in each brush, each spindle assembly. Go ahead and pull those out. And the brush itself just slides off the spindle. Alright, so once all the brushes are removed, we go ahead and expose this hub that's on the back of the spindle. I always recommend just taking a dry rag and wiping off all the fines that have accumulated there. And also do it with the back of the brush. This is obviously where that hub sits, so it always makes for an easier brush change if we keep things clean. I also recommend here on this hub there is an O-ring over time that does dry out, so I do recommend just using a little WD-40 on there. It actually helps lubricate the brush when you put it on, and it keeps the O-ring from cracking. And I always cover up the bed so we're not getting the conveyor bed dirty. But once that's done, you can just take that rag and kind of just move that WD-40 around. Kind of helps clean that hub also. So we do that with all four of them. Alright, once those hubs are clean, the next thing to do is reinstall the new brushes. We're going to an 80 grit ceramic here. Obviously we need to check for rotations. These brushes are designed to be rotated in a certain direction. So we have arrows on the carousel itself and then arrows on the brushes. Once it's all clean, the brushes just go ahead and slide right on. Here's a little trick. Number 2 Phillips with the shank here is actually a really good guide to help line up the rotation here if it does become a little out. So once that's in, it's just a matter of pushing it in. And that will conclude part 1 of our video series on how to change the brushes on a 2200 series 52-inch rotary brush machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at timesaversinc.com.